Hey everyone! So, I started with this simple guitar idea. Check it out. Pretty basic, right? Now, listen to what happened after I let Moises AI jam along with it. Today, I'm going to show you how you can do that with Moises AI Studio. It's an award-winning music tool that's seriously a game changer. You can take any small idea, a guitar riff, a piano part, even just you humming a tune, and it will build a whole song around it. Moises listens to your idea and generates drums, bass, or any other instrument that perfectly matches your timing and style. And it does it all in just a few seconds. So what makes it different from other AI music tools? Well, most AI tools just have you type in a prompt and they spit out a whole song. You don't get much control and it doesn't really feel like your music. But Moises AI is different. It makes music with you, not for you. It's like having a super talented bandmate who's always ready to play any instrument as you like. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. First, just go to the Moises AI website. The link is down in the description. You'll need to either sign up or log in. Once you're in, click on AI Studio on the left. If it's your first time, click on Create Your First Project, give it a name, and hit OK. From here, you can click Add Track to either import an audio file, record something new with your mic or instrument, or even have the AI generate a starting idea for you. I'm going to start with this guitar solo sample that I had created using Suno AI. I'll just click My Files, find the audio file, and click Open. Once I click Add, you'll see my guitar track pop up right on the timeline. Now this guitar track needs some drums, so I'll click Add Track again and choose Generate AI Instrument. This opens up the stem generation menu. You can also get to this menu by clicking the little magic wand button on the right. You can generate drums, bass, guitar, and a bunch of other instruments here. Let's start with drums. There are a ton of different styles to choose from, but if you're not sure what you want, the best place to start is with AI Match. The AI will listen to your track and create a custom drum beat that fits perfectly with your audio. So let's do that first and see how it sounds. And you can see that AI has listened to your track and created a custom drum beat that fits perfectly with your audio. Pretty incredible, right? If you're finding this helpful already, a quick subscribe would be amazing. It really helps me make more videos like this. And hey, if you don't like what it comes up with, no problem. You can just delete that track and generate a new one. This time I will try adding some R&B style drums and see how that sounds. And here we are. Let's hear it out. As you can hear, it syncs up perfectly with my guitar. The AI used my entire guitar track as a reference to create that beat. But what if you only want to add an instrument to a specific part of your song? You can do that too. Just click and drag on your track to select the area you want. Then click the three dots that appear and choose Generate from Selection. Let's try adding some acoustic fingerpicking just to this section here to give it a little lift. Just remember, the AI will use any tracks that aren't muted as context. So right now, it's listening to both my guitar and country drums to figure out the right feel for the acoustic fingerpicking. And just like that, it adds the new sound exactly where I wanted it. That sounds nice. You can hear the subtle finger-picking notes perfectly. Now let's add another instrument to a different part of the song. I'm going to mute the other tracks so the AI only uses my original guitar as a reference this time. Let's generate jazz drums for this part. Nice! Now how about some strings? Let's add a violin part from the others section. And a piano? Let's go wild. We have added AI instruments part by part, and now let's listen to our overall song. It actually feels like the lo-fi key part does not really belong there. We can actually mute this if needed. Okay, so with just a few clicks and using a few of our monthly generative credits, we've gone from a single guitar riff to a full band arrangement. This is the core power of the AI Studio. Now let's stop generating new parts for a moment and focus on what else you can do inside this project, because this is more than just a generation tool, it's a simple workstation. For each track we've created, you have these volume sliders right here. This allows you to start creating a basic mix without leaving the app. So if I feel like the bass is a little quiet, I can just nudge it up. Maybe I want that piano to be more of a background texture, so I can bring its volume down. Up in the top right corner, you'll find the download button. With the free plan, you can download your music in default sample rate and in MP3 format. And a paid plan allows you to export in high-quality audio formats like WAV and FLAC. Here you have two main export options, Mix and Tracks. If you choose Mix, Moises will download your entire song as one single MP3 file. And when you select Tracks, Moises will download every instrument stem as a separate individual MP3 file. And hey, this works great for vocals too. You can upload your vocal track, which can be something you just hummed, and Moises AI can generate all the backing music for you. Let's try that. Start a new project and add a vocal-only track. And here we have it on our timeline. Let's give it a bit of a piano as an instrumental to complement the vocals.
The coffee's cold, the morning's new. Another day, not much to do. Through the window pane, the world outside.
That's not bad, but I think it's a bit louder right now. I don't want the piano to overpower the vocals. So let's adjust the slider and hear it again.
The coffee's cold, the morning's new. Another day, not much to do. Through the window pane, the world outside.
Now it's good. Let's add a bit of an acoustic spice with a stem of acoustic strum.
The coffee's cold, the morning's new. Another day, not much to do. Through the window pane, the world outside. A quiet place where feelings hide. But there's a whisper in the breeze, a simple truth among the trees, that even after the longest night, a flicker turns into a light.
That sounds great. I just gave it a vocal, and now we have a full song. That's incredible. Now, Moises AI Studio is incredible for creating new music from your ideas. But what if you want to work with music that's already finished? This is where we explore Moises's other core feature, which is also available on the free plan, Track Separation. I'm going to head back to the main dashboard for a second and click on Track Separation. The free plan lets you do this for a limited number of songs each month, which is perfect for practice, learning, or small remix projects. Here, you can upload any complete song file. I will upload a happy, upbeat song that I created using Suno AI and submit. Moises will use its AI to analyze the track and deconstruct it. And here we are. Moises AI has split my song into its individual instrument stems. We have vocals, drums, bass, and others.
The sun wakes up just to see you glow. Your life's a river, watch it flow.
Here you can isolate the vocals, extract just the drums, or pull out the bass line. Imagine you're a guitarist wanting to learn a solo. You could upload the song, isolate the guitar part, and even slow it down. Or, if you're a producer, you could grab the vocal track, the a cappella, from a song to create a remix. It's an incredibly powerful tool. Also, Moises has a voice studio. You can just upload a song you have and do pitch adjustments to the voice of your song. Or assign a different voice from Moises. Here I will upload my song, submit, and the AI will analyze it. And now we are presented with a couple of voice variations of our song. Here's the original one I provided as input.
The coffee's cold, the morning's new. Another day, not much to do.
Now let's click on this one.
The coffee's cold, the morning's new.
Okay, that really sounds bad. It looks like the AI has taken the music as vocals too for conversion. So let's go back, and this time we will tick the isolate lead vocals option. We should have done this the first time too, because it says right here to do so if our song isn't an a cappella version. Submit! And here we go. We have a couple versions presented with different voice personas. And this time, we have the vocals isolated. Let's listen to this one.
The coffee's cold, the morning's new. Another day, not much to do. Through the window pane, the world outside. A quiet place where feelings hide.
That's not bad, right? And here you can choose from other voices from Moises' library as well. Let's select Steve and see how it goes.
The coffee's cold, the morning's new. Another day, not much to do. Through the window pane, the world outside.
Yeah, it's all good, but I think I would prefer my original voice. So Moises AI is great, but how much does it cost? There's a free plan with limited features, which is perfect for trying it out. All the features that I showed you here are actually within the free plan, so you can get an idea on the studio's capability. The free plan gives you 60 generative AI credits and 5 audio separations per month. The premium plan usually costs about $3.59 a month, and the pro plan with more advanced features is about $27 a month. Here's a comparison of what you get with each plans, and the pro plan seems to be absolutely overpowering the other two tiers. So what are you waiting for? Go check out Moises AI and have fun bringing your song ideas to life. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel for more AI music-related updates and tutorials every week. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.